Hello, I'm gonna teach you how to, wait, so the camera's right here. I'm gonna teach you how to make some spaghetti today. I will not be following any recipes at all whatsoever, especially not this one. You can trust me, because I'm a certified chef. I've worked at a bakery before, I know how to make Italian spaghetti. You may hear terminology you have never heard before, and that is because I am at a higher level of intelligence. Believe me. The first thing you're gonna do is prep the garlic because definitively that is the thing you're supposed to do first. Ask anyone. But trust me, because I'm a chef. Okay, let's get started. How do I change the camera on this? Do I double tap? Nope, that just zooms in. Okay, new cut. As you can see before me, I've already somewhat destroyed this garlic. I have declothed, peeled this garlic, and I'm about to peel this garlic because I decided to make this video halfway into peeling them. Why is it so blurry? Hey, focus, bro. Alright, there you go. Yeah, see? Alright, that's what I'm gonna do first. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna be using onion that you've already used before, because you're not gonna use a whole new onion to make spaghetti. No way. You're gonna use onion you found before and you're gonna use them. Like this. Boom. Put this aside because you're not using it right now, and you're going to just onion. Bam. No problem. Wait a second. Hold on. I forgot a step. You gotta dice this shit. Boom. Diced. That's how you do it. Now we cut the onion. You ain't never seen anyone cut onions like this, have you? No, you haven't, because I'm a chef. Certified chef. Self-certified chef. Now that we've cut the onions, you might think you're done. But you're not. You know why? Because you don't want long, skinny onion like that. You don't want slices like that. You want them diced. So what you gonna do? You dice them. Boom, diced. I forgot, landscape. Boom, diced. Now you're done with prepping the onion. You don't want remember not to dice them too much, because you don't want small skinny dices. No. You want fat plumpy dice. Fat plumpy dice. I'm a certified chef, I promise, or money guaranteed back to you. Now you fill this bad boy with heavy cream, because that's what you're gonna use for this recipe. Why do I keep looking on this side when the camera's right here? I just did it again. You're gonna fill up this bad boy with heavy cream, because that's what this recipe uses. My very own recipe that I definitely did not take on the internet. Take my word for it. Take my word for it. Trust me. I'm a certified chef. I promise. Money back guaranteed. Oh. I'll throw that away later. Half cup heavy cream. Mmm. Yum. I can just eat this right now. Ooh. Perfect. You see this? Perfect. Set it aside because you're not using it right now. Now comes the easiest part of the whole process, actually cooking it. Now, what you're gonna do is turn on the stove high, because you want it to heat up and you want to have your oil ready. Oil. I don't remember what oil this is, because there's no thing on it. But oil. Vegetable oil? Car oil. Use car oil. Don't use car oil. Please don't use car oil. I'm just joking. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank. This step takes forever. I'm so tired. While we're here, I'm gonna show you what kind of meat I'm gonna use. IKEA meatballs. What do I do with the meatballs? Oh, ideally, you want to finish this all before your girlfriend gets home from school, because she's tired. And you know what she's expecting you to be? A provider. A provider, okay? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna provide some spaghetti. From some good old spaghetti. You're gonna provide the onions. You're gonna provide the garlic. You're gonna provide the heavy cream. The red pepper flakes. You're gonna provide this IKEA meatball that I'm definitely gonna cook. You're gonna provide the pot, which is gonna make the spaghetti. Where's the noodles? Bear with me for like 3 seconds. You're gonna provide some boba balls. Oh, it's fine, no problem. No problem. That's the wrong noodle. You're gonna provide the noodle. This is how to tell if the pan is hot enough yet. It's hot enough. Now you're gonna put in the oil, because that's what's next. Easy. Let me show you how it's done. Just angles. I don't care about angles right now. I think that's enough. I don't know. I mean, it's more of a feeling. It's not whether or not you know a lot as a chef, as a certified chef, money back guaranteed, but it's more of a feeling, you know? It's like if I feel like that's good enough, that's good enough. And you know what? I think that's good enough. That might not be good enough. Here's how you tell if the oil is hot enough for you to put in. You listen to it. It speaks to you. You hear that burning sound of your wood? Yeah, it's hot enough. It's good to cook. I'm gonna place the camera down for like a second so that way I can put some garlic and some onion in there. But first you wanna put in the garlic because that's the order of operations here. That's PEMDAS right there. The P stands for garlic. Put this aside real quick. That's not dangerous at all whatsoever. I just put a knife. If you guys didn't tell, you guys can't tell because you guys can't see it. But I just put a knife on the table. I'm a rebel. I'm a rebel chef. My camera died earlier, so you won't be able to see me putting in the garlic and the onion and the red pepper flakes, but it's there, okay? It's actually kind of burnt because I ran out of battery and then tried to pick up the charger and run over here. By the time it was ready, it was just already burnt. Yeah, so I mean, there's nothing I can do. That's just a technological difficulty. But what's next is the meatballs. You'll have to believe me, because I can't bring it away from the charging port. But, you know, I'll just do it. Because you only live once. That saying is still alive. It only lived twice. Meatball time. Boom. That's not meatball yet, but like I will put it in there. How do I even how am I gonna hold this? Like this? Cool, like this. You just grab meatballs, you just throw them in there. I think. Yes, that is how you do it. Certified chef. Now some of you may ask me, how much are you supposed to put in? How much meatballs are you supposed to put in your pasta? The answer here is I don't know. It's up to you. You feel like eating 3, you put in 3. You feel like putting 50 in there, you put 50 in there. You feel like doing weird things, don't do it. Don't do them. Just don't do weird things. While that's cooking, you have another job you have to do. Open the tomato sauce can. Spaghetti sauce. Canister. Receptacle holder. Words. Look how easy it is. Give me a sec. Easy. Meat, cook faster. My girlfriend is hungry. Here's how to test if the meatball is ready. I'm using metal chopsticks. Don't use metal chopsticks on a pan. It's gonna scratch, but I have no other choice. So, it's not ready. Do yourself a favor and don't use meatballs when you cook pasta, or spaghetti, I mean. It takes forever. Use ground beef, like a normal human being, like all chefs would. But I'm not just an ordinary chef. That's right, boys and girls, cats and dogs, squares and triangles. I am a certified chef. My onions, my garlic, my red pepper flakes are all so dry right now. I hate it. To those of you who have finals this week or next week or the week before or are already done with finals, good luck. You can do it. Don't cook when you have finals. Just order to go. Why did I do this to myself? Why did I do this to my girlfriend? She's gonna come home wanting to eat some good spaghetti and I'm gonna make her some amazing spaghetti. But if you're not me, don't do it. Alright, just get to go. The meat's ready, I think. I don't know. I'm just not gonna wait any longer. No, it's ready. I promise. I promise. But now, we're gonna add in the spaghetti sauce. Cause That is the easiest part. Come on. Thank you. You can't see anything. You just have to take my word for it that I'm not just pouring into the trash. Alright. When you want to pour the spaghetti sauce, you pour all of it in because you're going to use it all. So just pour it all in. Why would you save it for later? To drink it? What are you, weird? Pour it all in. Oh! It's fine. No problem. That's how I like my spaghetti sauce. All over everything else. Okay. Now that you put in your spaghetti sauce, you're going to put in the heavy cream next. Because that's what you do. Alright? That's what spaghetti is all about. Let me show you how it's done. Shh, 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 shh. Stop it. Shh. Sometimes you gotta speak to the spaghetti. It starts making noise at you, you just gotta shh. Calm down. And it'll calm down. Trust me. Shh, 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 shh. I need to put in the heavy cream, so shut up. Thank you. Alright, you take the heavy cream, and then you put it in. Easy as that. Let me show you how it's done. Oh my god. It's too perfect. You see this? There you go. Some of you guys might think it's kind of weird to put heavy cream in spaghetti sauce. And trust me, I thought so too. But my chef instincts kicked in and told me to do it. So that's what I did. If you question me, you question a certified chef. I don't think you want to do that. I don't think you want to go down that path. You see this orangey color? That's what you want, okay? If it's not that color, you're doing it wrong. Try again. Start from scratch. That's shh. Trying to make a video right now. Shh. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. I'll eat you soon enough. That's the color you want. You're not done yet. You gotta put salt and pepper, cause duh, everything needs salt and pepper. First, taste the white powder that you're using to see if it's actually salt. Yes, that is actually salt. Now, you might want to do this in like spoonfuls and everything, but I'm too lazy for that. Actually, no, it's probably easier for me to use the spoon. So use it. Use the spoon. Just... you see that? That's how a chef does it. Oh, hey, stop. You stop that right now. I put in the salt. Now it's time to put in the pepper. Now that you put in everything you need to put in inside the spaghetti sauce, the next thing you need to do is to taste test it. And believe me, I have the best taste. You stick a chopstick in there. Yum. Blow on it because it's kind of hot. It's missing something. I don't know what it's missing. Fuck. Alright. Mo salt. Yum. That's exactly what it needed. Maybe I'll put in some red pepper flakes. Some more red pepper flakes. Because, you know, that's how we like it. Spicy. Let me show you guys how to put in red pepper flakes inside your spaghetti. You take the red pepper flakes. You open the red pepper flakes. And then... easy. Put them all in there. Doesn't matter. You want real spicy? You put in basil leaves, okay? Basil leaves. Now you taste test it again. So good! Now, the spaghetti is cooking. Your girlfriend's almost home. What are you gonna do now? Now is the perfect time to put in the noodles. In the water to cook them. And then you're gonna put them with the spaghetti. After you put them on your plate. Yeah. You take the pot that your friend gave you when he moved back to Myanmar for about a good half a year or so. Thanks, Kevin. I appreciate you. This pot's amazing. Now you take this pot, you put it on the stove. You turn on the stove. Wait. You turn off the stove. You put the water in first, then you turn on the stove. After you put the pot on the stove again. I know you got water now, cause boom, you got water. Now you put it on the stove, like I said before. You turn on the stove. like I said before, you wait for the water to heat up and then you cook the noodles. The water boiling takes forever. My girlfriend's gonna graduate by the time the water's done boiling. Jesus. I just found the perfect angle to do this video in. Like, look at this. You see everything. You see the spaghetti. You see the water. You see everything. Why did I not do this before? Like, let me show you guys what I put this on. You see these handles right here? I just slide you guys in. Boom. Done. I'm a artiste. A lot of chefs are gonna tell you to keep your workstation clean because it's more efficient. I'm gonna tell you a family secret right now. Secret right now. Secret. Alright? Don't do that. You know why? Because it adds to the flavor. Okay? You see all this? You see the reason why it tastes so good? Because there's stuff everywhere. Alright? That's the secret. I'm gonna... Shh. No, I can't believe I just did that. I'm gonna edit this out. Here's a tip on how to make your water boil faster. Hurry up! My girlfriend's gonna come home soon, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip to the part where we have already prepared the spaghetti. I have the noodles in my hand right now. Don't hold it like this because, you know, extra flavor if you're scared of that. But I'm gonna skip to the next part. You're gonna see her reaction to this, alright? Trust me, she's gonna love it. Guaranteed, alright? Money back guaranteed. I got you guys. I got you. I already know what y'all want, right? You already want to see the reaction. I'm gonna do it, okay? Don't tell her. She's gonna be amazed. She's gonna be like, why is it so good? It's the burnt garlic. Shh. She's gonna be so mad when she sees this. So, what are we eating today?
You're so loud.
What are we eating today?
Red things.
She says red things. Can the video hear? Hello. Caw. Alright. Yes. Look at this. So good, right? This I'm recording her reaction because she's gonna decide whether or not it's okay. Right? That's the criteria, right? Whether or not it's okay. Yeah. Alright, let's mix it up.
It smells okay.
It smells okay. See? No problem.
Like the sauce is really thick though.
That's what you want.
Weird. That's too thick.
That's what you want.
It's too thick.
I really hope
What did you add in here?
What do you what did I add in here? I added the regular it's my secret formula.
Did you follow the recipe I gave you?
What recipe that you gave me? What recipe? What recipe, huh? What recipe?
Fine. Okay, can I eat it now?
Yes. Alright, first bite. Come on, tell me if it's good.
It smells like ketchup.
Shh, just tell me how it tastes like.
It smells like ketchup.
Why are you talking so much, huh? Just eat it, man.
You don't need to talk.
Just eat it, man. Come on, what is this? I feel so offended.
I don't trust you.
How is it actually though?
Alright, it's pretty good.
It's pretty good? Hey, it's pretty good! Alright, we'll end the video here before she says anything else. Alright, cool! Woo! Mission accomplished. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, favorite the video, add it to your playlist, add it to your cooking playlist, add it to your Christmas music. What other things can we
Wait,
what other things can we do?
Can I say...
What would you like to say before I end the video?
I don't think you want it to be on camera though.
You're right.